Hi from Bug Eye Guys. I want to just give you a very quick tour of a rebuilt Volkswagen engine. It's a 1915cc engine that we got in a Speedster replica. It was a brand new car with about 60 miles on it. The camshaft was not properly broken in or it was defective. We completely disassembled the engine, cleaned everything, replaced anything that was needed to be replaced, put it back together again, and it's available for sale here at a discounted rate just to help us make some space. We were saving it for another VW-based project that we're not going to do. Excuse me, so here's a chance to buy a really good nearly new engine, or it's basically new because it's just been rebuilt, but it did come out of a car that had 75 miles on it. So we inspected the cylinders, the pistons, the rings, everything was in really nice shape, cleaned it all up. It was rebuilt by a certified Volkswagen technician who's worked on them for 40 years. It's a high quality product. And you can see, the ring gear shows no wear. The clutch is virtually new. I think this is, I don't know that we replaced this oil cooler, but it's not like the engine had scattered any particles. It's just that the camshaft, some of the lobes were starting to wear prematurely. So we put in new camshaft and built it again, and it's available for you at a discounted rate here at Bug Eye Guys.